Welcome to Inventing Things. Today we're going to be building this. A arm-mounted retractable blade system that is inspired by the movie Predator. We all know Predator. I don't really need to introduce who Predator is from the Alien vs. Predator movie and the 2018 Predator movie and the Arnold Schwarzenegger Predator movie. So let's just jump right into the build and we'll make that as quick as possible so we can get on to more testing.
The blades and gauntlet were originally designed in Fusion 360 and cut out in 1.5mm thick steel. After cleaning, the blades were later heat treated with oil and then again using water, thus making the blades strong but flexible. For directional control, I'm utilizing this 16mm bore by 150mm stroke cylinder I purchased from Amazon.com. I utilized angle iron to mount the cylinder to the gauntlet. I also bought one of these 3-way directional control valves that was also available from Amazon, link down below. This will let me open and close the cylinder from the actuation of an electrical switch. I mounted the front of the blades to the front connector of the cylinder, and the rear blades got a carriage that rides along the cylinder. Noticing the amount of play in side-to-side movement of the rail, I later added these little plexiglass sliders to help prevent the blades from spinning. Once that was all done, I utilized an old 12-volt drill battery with a custom-mounted 3D printed bracket as a power source for the system. I also quickly manufactured a PVC air tank, thus making the entire system portable. Here are some of the test results after all of that was completed.
Test number 1. Clean slice. So, teensy tiny problem. After that second initial hit where I went flying, I think the bore of the cylinder bent a little bit, so now it does this. But I can work with that. How well it actually cuts. Pretty good. Okay, the last one was kind of old, so we're gonna try the new one. That's all. 3, 2, 1. It's just so much fun. I want to keep cutting things. Okay, let's get some wind up on this one. Oh god. Okay, one more time. Well, it works. I mean, it cuts things, so what else are you expecting? They're literally, they open and close. But in all seriousness, this is actually a really sweet project. If I had to do it differently, I would use thicker metal or actually heat up the oil before heat treating. There's still a few leaks in the system and still a few bolts that still cut my fingers open. But all in all, this was a fun project, so I can reuse this air tank for a lot of things once I actually seal it. So, see you in the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff.